Hi, I'm Dr. JD Dudum. I'm at Dudum Chiropractic. Today, I want to talk about spinal stenosis, what it is, why it's important, and a path to get back to your health with how we can take care of it for you. So, spinal stenosis, what it is, let's talk about the architecture of the spine first. Looking at a model of the spine, we have the hard bones, the white part, and then we have the cushion, that's the disc. Those two bones and the disc make up what's called a joint. Now, in between the joint, it creates a hole, a nice big round hole. That's where this small, tiny nerve comes out. That's super important because the nerves control things like pain and sensations and tingling and numbness. So we want to, the bigger the hole, the better. It creates more room for that soft, tiny nerve. Stenosis is a term that means closing of a circle or closing of a hole. So when it comes to your spine, the circle where the nerve comes through, if that hole reduces in size, that's called stenosis. Now, why that's important is when that hole closes, it can cause stress, irritation, and inflammation of these nerves. Symptomatically, what you may be experiencing, numbness, pain, tingling, warm or cooling sensation, typically down both legs. It could be all the way down to the feet. You might even have been diagnosed with neuropathy. So that's the symptom of what stenosis is. Now, we want to look at what is the cause of stenosis? What makes those holes that are supposed to be super big shrink and cause some irritation on those soft, tiny nerves? Stenosis typically takes years to develop, so decades to develop. It can start from a small trauma like a minor car accident, a sports injury, or even just poor posture over a long period of time. Anything that creates stress on your spine, misalignments, and just stress and compression, our bodies are super smart. What they're going to do is our bodies are going to adapt and they're going to secure and just hold on really tight. So our bones are actually going to grow more. And the holes that are created, there's going to be more bone growth and the holes get smaller. That's what causes stenosis. It's a stress in the spine. So we have a stress in the spine causing nerve, some type of pain, inflammation, numbness, tingling down your leg. The solution, what can you do for it? If we look at what's causing it, we can look at the solution. In our office, we utilize a very specific technique called spinal decompression. What we can do an exam that actually will find which level of the stenosis is affecting your spine. The machine targets that specific area and it can pull gently, which will essentially open the space where that nerve comes out. Remember that soft, gentle nerve? We open the space and allows the nerve to be free. So it decreases numbness, it decreases pain, warming or cooling sensation, weakness, anything down the legs. Those symptoms are typically resolved. We also utilize something that's called cold laser. It's light therapy. It helps decrease inflammation around the nerve and it helps the healing process accelerate. So all the therapies we do are targeted specifically at what's causing the stenosis, which is the stress in the spine, irritating the nerves when those circles get smaller. So really, if you are experiencing stenosis or you know anyone that's been diagnosed with stenosis, give them a call. Have them call our office. I'd love to sit down with them and discuss their condition, what their goals are, and how I can get them back on their path to health. So hope you enjoyed this video. Look at the number below. I'm Dr. JD Dudum. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.